Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your avatar on Instagram. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video, as it means a lot to me. And I would like to thank every one of you who has liked the videos in the past. Whether you had a haircut or you changed your hair color, you can edit your Instagram avatar to best represent you. Let me show you how to do this. So first, open up your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on accounts and then avatar. If you have already created your avatar, it will take you to this screen where you can now change all the features of yourself as the avatar. Once you've changed it, tap on save at the top right to save it. And that is how to edit your avatar on Instagram. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.